Continuation of anecdotal records. An anecdotal record is an observation that is written like a short story. They are descriptions of incidents or events that are important to the person observing. Anecdotal records are short, objective, and as accurate as possible. Definition is a record of some significant item of conduct, a record of an episode in the life of students, a word picture of a student in action, a word snapshot at the moment of the incident, any narration of events in which may be significant about his personality. Meaning, informal device used by the teacher to record behavior of students as observed by him from time to time. It provides a lasting record of behavior and may be useful in later stages. Judgment, to contribute to the judgment of the student. Characteristics of anecdotal records. Anecdotal records must possess certain characteristics given below. They should contain factual descriptions of what happened, when it happened, and under what circumstances the behavior occurred. Interpretations and recommendation action should be noted separately for the description. Each anecdotal record should contain a record of a single incident. The incident recorded should be that is considered to be significant to the student's growth and development. For example, simple reports of behavior, result of direct observation, accurate and specific, gives context of child's behavior, records typical or unusual behaviors. Purpose: to furnish the multiplicity of evidence needed for good cumulative record, to substitute for vague generalizations about the student's specific act, to stimulate teachers to look for information. The teacher is able to understand the pupil in a realistic manner, to understand the basic personality pattern of his students and his reactions to different situations. It provides an opportunity for healthy pupil-teacher relationship. It can be maintained in the areas of behavior, helps the student improve their behavior, can be used by students for self-appraisal and peer assessment. Guidelines for making anecdotal record. Keep a notebook handy to make brief notes to remind you of the incidents you wish to record include in the record. It will also include the name, time and setting of your notes. Write the record as soon as possible after the event. The longer you leave it to write your anecdotal record, the more subjective and vague the observation will become. So write it immediately. In your anecdotal record, identify the time, date, child and the setting. Describe the actions, what was said. Include the responses of other people if they relate to the action. Describe the event in the sequence that it occurred. Record should be complete. They should be compiled and filed. They should be emphasized in an educational resource. The teacher should have practice and training in making observations and writing records. Items in anecdotal records: to relate the incident correctly, for drawing inferences. The first part of the anecdotal record should be factual, simple and clear. Name of the students, unit, ward and department, date and time, brief report of what happened. The second part of the anecdotal record may include additional comments, analysis and conclusions based on interpretations and judgments. Descriptive reports: instructor writes a brief report on student nurse's performance over a given period. These reports are quite useful if the instructor highlights students' strengths and weaknesses in a systematic manner. Instructor decides what to include in the report, and she may quite inconsistent unless she is guided by some kind of structure. Otherwise, these types of reports turn out to be subjective assessments. Advantages: supplements and validates of other structured instruments, provision of insight into total behavior of incidents, need no special training, use of formative feedback, economic and easy to develop, open-ended and catch unexpected events, can select behaviors or events of interest and ignore others. Disadvantages: if carelessly recorded, the purpose will not be fulfilled. Only records events of interest to the person doing the observing. Quality of the record depends on the memory of the person. Incidents can be taken out of context. Subjectivity, lack of standardization, difficulty in scoring, time consuming, may miss out recording specific types of behavior, limited application. Uses of anecdotal records: records unusual events such as accidents, record children's behavior, skills and interests for planning purposes, record how an individual is progressing in specific area of development. It provides a means of communication between the members of the health care team and facilitates coordinated planning and continuity of care. Complete, accurate and factual documentation provides a reliable permanent record of patient care.